People have relied on delivery services to have their food and other items delivered to them at their homes, especially since the pandemic. Well, a new partnership between Kroger and Drone Express is offering a service that promises to be more efficient and faster than all the others. Spectrum News 1 reporter Camry Nelson now with more.
Customers here in the Centerville area will soon have the opportunity to get their groceries delivered right at their doorstep thanks to a new drone delivery service. Craig Bonendissel is the mastermind behind the drones. As the Drone Express mechanical engineer, he is instrumental in putting the drones together. He and the team create about 6 to 7 of them a day.
Build time is less than a day. There is some gluing that goes on that takes a little bit of cure time, but once that's finished, these can be built relatively quickly.
Bonendissel also came up with the design and build, and during the process he knew he had to build a drone big enough to deliver groceries.
We went a lot bigger, planning to have more than 5 pounds in delivery, so you got to have space underneath your drone to be able to fit different size boxes.
Beth Flippo is the Telegrid Technologies Chief Technology Officer. Drone Express is a division of that company. Flippo's parents founded Telegrid over 40 years ago, primarily using wireless mesh networks.
We decided to go into drone package delivery because that seemed to benefit the most from having this radio, by allowing the drones that are delivering packages to speak to other drones delivering in the air.
Flippo believes this new delivery service will help families and others get items they need without the hassle that it took before.
Things our kids forget that to tell us that they needed for school can be at your house before they get on the bus. So it's not just food, it's all items. Most of them are available already from the Kroger marketplace.
Here's how it works. A customer puts in an order with Kroger. The order will then be packaged and then attached to the drone. The drone pilot will then fly it to your home.
You can have things delivered directly to you in 15 minutes. Kroger has these prepackaged plans for now, but you in theory could get anything you want delivered right to your house.
For Spectrum News, I'm Camry Nelson.
Drone Express is in the pilot phase and is only available at the Kroger in the city of Centerville. That's in the Dayton area. They hope to officially begin the service by mid-June.